Hey you guys, new day, new video. And today we're going to take a look at the new Softube Model 72 synthesizer system. Together with Softube we're going back to the 70s with the latest software Model 72 synthesizer system. This software synthesizer is modeled after a 1972 synthesizer. Can you guess which one? Softube has managed to modulate even the smallest details in their software, and that results in an authentic and very warm sound. The Model 72 can be used as a standalone plugin and you can load that into your favorite DSW, or you can use it as a module in Softube Modeler, and you get 7 modules when you install it. And you can use it as an effect generator. Curious how it looks and how it sounds? Here we go. Okay, this is the Model 72 from Softube. Yes, it's based on the Minimoog. Why not? And yes, I also thought, no way, another one, but it sounds great, and yeah, like I said, why not? I'm not going to explain what the Moog is and how the original Moog sounds, because you already know that. I'm not going to explain all these knobs because that's obvious. Let's see how it sounds. First, you can browse to presets. There's a preset browser over here. A lot of presets comes when you feature it. You can even your favorites. There are also factory presets. You can give it your own presets, even a cover, a color, and you can easily rename the plugin. But that's not all important. Let's see how it sounds. What also cool is that you can use the Model 72 as a effect plugin. I created a loop, you see that here, and I insert the 72 as an effect insert. You see the whole instrument. I don't know why, but it is a little too big for me, but hey, let's see how it sounds. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like our channel, then subscribe. And I'll see you next time.